Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction and Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Crypto.com coin, CRO, is the native cryptocurrency token of Crypto.com chain, a decentralized, open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Crypto.com chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018. Following an extensive advertising effort that led to a significant increase in demand for the Crypto.com coin, the Singapore-based platform has grown into one of the top 10 largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world by trading volume. The number of new holders of CRO, the native token of Crypto.com, has continued to see a steady rise in the last month, even after the platform was recently hacked on January 17. Nevertheless, a total of 482 new addresses carrying the digital asset CRO were added daily in the last month, from January 16, when there were 200,000 unique addresses holding the digital asset CRO, to February 14, when there were 214,000 holding Crypto.com coin. There has been a gradual increase, according to CoinMarketCap.com. Crypto.com originally suspended withdrawals when users noticed funds leaving their accounts on January 17. Nevertheless, as illustrated, the number of CRO holders has continued to rise in the last 30 days, despite the theft of $30 million in assets stolen from 483 users' crypto wallets. Initially, the issue was first referred to as an incident, and the business said that no client funds were lost. Ultimately, customer losses were refunded by the exchange, which said that it prevented unlawful withdrawals in the vast majority of cases. Crypto.com claims to have strengthened its security measures and to have enlisted the help of third-party auditors to further analyze its overall security position. However, the firm did not disclose any specifics on the upgrades that had been made. Currently, CRO is trading at 40 cents, down 6.9% in the last 24 hours and 1.9% across the previous 7 days, with a market cap of $12 billion. CRO 1-month price chart. Source: CoinMarketCap.com. In the aftermath of the hack, the coin fell as low as 30 cents, and now it has climbed 44% since then and is currently up in price over the last month. Coin Market Recap, hosted by Connor Sefton, aims to break down the week's crypto news in a fun and accessible way. Research continually shows that consumers find cryptocurrencies difficult to understand, and we're determined to change that. We begin by recapping a terrible week for the crypto markets, with Bitcoin tumbling below $40,000 and Ether losing support for $3,000. Plus, Twitter unveiling support for NFT avatars, growing speculation that Walmart could accept digital assets, and how Microsoft plans to move into the metaverse. CoinMarketCap's Molly Jane Zuckerman also joins us to discuss the headlines that caught her eye this week, with Crypto.com confirming that it suffered a hot wallet hack on Monday. Although the exchange has stressed that customer funds are safe, 483 users ended up having unauthorized withdrawals from their accounts. We discuss what investors should do to keep their assets safe, and whether they should keep their funds on these platforms in the first place. Our attention then turns to a busy week when it comes to regulation. Spain has announced plans to tighten the rules surrounding crypto ads. Now, firms that want to reach more than 100,000 people will need to get approval first. The UK is embarking on similar measures, and wants to ensure that consumers aren't misled when it comes to digital assets. To top it all off, Bitcoin ATMs are abruptly shutting down in Singapore after regulators there warned that crypto trading is not suitable for the general public. Are they right, and will the industry welcome clearer rules surrounding advertising? Last but by no means least, we discuss the latest setback suffered by Cryptoland, which aims to build a lush paradise for hodlers on an island in Fiji. Not only has the project been subject to mockery after a promotional video went viral, but it has faced a backlash over its tweets, and a deal to buy a 600-acre plot of land has fallen through. Connor and Molly Jane chew over what's happened in greater detail, and at the end of December it fell to $0.019, ending 2018. As a bearish note, Crow entered 2019 with an exchange value of $0.020. Later, the price effectively triggered an upward trajectory, and by mid-March, the token rose to $0.098, and at dawn in April it fell to $0.044. The currency was tested again at $0.096 for several days and continued to fluctuate after that. Surprisingly, by mid-July, the coin reached the 10 cents mark, as the currency was registered on many exchange platforms, and then fell to 5 cents. After the bearish attack, the token began to decline, and by December, by the end of 0.1, it reached $2,019. Crow opened 2020 with a trading price of 10 cents. In the future, the price began to grow steadily and by mid-February reached $0.065 and continued to decline. With some variations, the currency shockingly dropped to the support level at $0.032 by mid-March. Later, the token rose on an upward trajectory and by the beginning of September actually rose to 17 cents, when the community successfully launched a feature called Stake to Take, and fell sharply to 10 cents by the end of November due to market activity. By December, Crypto.com coin dropped to 10 cents, ending 2020. Crypto.com coin started 2021 with a bearish divergence effect at a trading price of $0.058. Later, the price actually began to accumulate, and the coin unexpectedly reached the 27 cents mark. In addition, it is assumed that the price will rise if the community focuses on certain events and partnerships and can be placed on many exchange platforms. By the end of 2021, Crow may be trading at a high price of $1.50. The digital currency can start 2022 with an exchange value of $1.60. The token can grow further if it focuses on launching more products on its platforms, such as derivatives, exporting transaction history, and more. Crow could end 2022 with a trading price of $3.20. Crow may reach a new milestone in the next 5 years. It could be included in the top 10 currencies if it constantly monitored certain improvements to its platform and focused on ensuring transparency for its applications. It can compete with many other altcoins and attract more investors and users. It is assumed that by the end of 10 years, the Crow will reach $5. On a bearish note, Crow set the year 2021 at $0.058. Then the price rose to 27 cents, reaching a record level on February 22. Crypto.com coin can compete with other coins because it offers features such as trading, financial services, and payments.